Okay, listen to this. Didn't hear anything, right? And you still didn't hear anything. I'll try one more time. You didn't hear anything because my doorbell is broken again. And I just fixed it with my screwdriver. But it didn't work very long, so I tried some glue, but that didn't work at all. So I tried some tape, but that didn't work. So I finally tried my pliers, and that didn't work. So all I have left is my hammer. I hope that I can get my doorbell to work by smashing it with my hammer. Here goes. Thank you, Barry, okay? Here goes. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Somebody's knocking at my door. If my doorbell was working, they would not be knocking at my door, but they are knocking at my, so I better find out who's there. Who's there?
Amanda.
Amanda, I wonder why Amanda is knocking at my door. I guess I better ask, though this is probably another knock-knock joke. Amanda, who?
Amanda, fix your doorbell.
Amanda, I don't need Amanda fix my doorbell, and I don't need another knock-knock joke. I'm going to fix my doorbell all by myself. So